Hello, good morning, friends. How are you? So, in the last lecture, we start our new chapter, that is number systems. So, before we start the today's lecture, first we see what we are discussed in the last lecture. So, in the last lecture, we discussed about the numbers. First one, the natural numbers. We know that the natural number is denoted by capital N, and natural number starts from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to so on infinity. Natural numbers are also called as the counting numbers, because suppose if we have to count the students in the class, so we count the students as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to so on, not like 0, 1, 2, 3 up to so on. म्हणजे आपण क्लासमधले विद्यार्थी कसे काउंट करतो, 1 पासून स्टार्ट करतो, 0 पासून कधी स्टार्ट करत नाही. देअरफॉर द नॅचरल नंबर्स आर ऑल्सो कॉल्ड ॲज द काउंटिंग नंबर्स. Next, whole numbers. The whole numbers are denoted as capital W and starts from 0, 1, 2, 3 up to so on infinity. In the natural numbers, if we include only 0, then we get the whole numbers. Next one is integers. We know that integers are denoted as capital I. So in the whole numbers, we include the minus numbers, we get the integers, and integers are also denoted as Z. Z comes from Zalin. Okay, Z comes from Zalin. Next, the rational numbers. We know that the rational numbers are denoted as capital Q, and the numbers which can be represented in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are the integers and Q is not equal to 0. म्हणजे जे नंबर्स पी बाय क्यूच्या फॉर्ममध्ये असतात आणि वेअर पी अँड क्यू काय असतात तर ते इंटिजर्स असतात आणि क्यू इज नॉट इक्वल टू 0, अशा नंबर्सना आपण काय म्हणतो तर रॅशनल नंबर्स. त्याच्यानंतर आपण काल तुम्हाला होमवर्कला एक्झाम्पल दिलं होतं, आर द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स आर ट्रू ऑर फॉल्स, गिव रिझन फॉर युअर आन्सर्स. नंबर 1, एव्हरी होल नंबर इज अ नॅचरल नंबर. वी नो दॅट 0 is a whole number, but 0 is not a natural number, because natural number starts from 1, 2, 3 infinity, and whole number starts from 0, 1, 2, 3 up to so on infinity. So first statement is false, because 0 is a whole number but not a natural number. Next, every integer is a rational number. The statement is true, because every integer m can be expressed in the form of m upon 1. For example, 2. So we can write 2 as 2 divided by 1. Similarly, minus 3, we can also write minus 3 is equal to minus 3 upon 1. Okay, so every integer is a rational number. Next, every rational number is an integer. Every rational number is an integer. The statement is false, because if we write a rational number 3 upon 5, this is a rational number, but this is not a integer, so statement is false. Okay, so today we are going to see some examples. The first example is find 5 rational numbers between 1 and 2. Find 5 rational numbers between 1 and 2. We know that to find the rational numbers between 1 and 2, the formula is r plus s divided by 2. Consider r is equal to 1 and s is equal to 2. Okay, simple formula hai. So here let r is equal to 1 and s is equal to 2. Therefore r plus s divided by 2 is equal to, r is equal to 1 and s is equal to 2. So 1 plus 2 is equal to 3 divided by 2. So 3 by 2 is a number. So 3 by 2 is the rational number between 1 and 2. Okay, next, again, if I consider r is equal to 1 and s is equal to 3 by 2. Okay, मैं आता काय consider करतो, r is equal to 1 and s is equal to 3 by 2. So r plus s divided by 2 is equal to 1 plus 3 by 2, because r is equal to 1 and s is equal to 3 by 2, okay, divided by 2. So by using, समजा आपण जर इथं क्रॉस मल्टिप्लाय केलं तर आपल्याला काय मिळणार, 2 into 1 2 and 1 into 3 3. So 2 plus 3 divided by 2 divided by 2. So we get 5 upon 2 divided by 2. 5 upon 2 divided by 2. So answer is 5 by 4. Answer is 5 by 4. So 5 by 4 is the another rational number between 1 and 2. ओके, आता इथं 5 by 4 आन्सर कसं आलं बघा, मी तुम्हाला एक्सप्लेन करून दाखवतो. नाव look at here, you already know that the reciprocal of 2 is equal to 1 by 2. Reciprocal of 1 upon 6 is equal to 6. We know that reciprocal of 2 is equal to 1 by 2. Reciprocal of 1 upon 6 is equal to 6. Similarly, we can find, okay, so 5 upon 2 divided by 2. We have to find the value of this. So divide 5 by 2 means multiply 5 by 2 by reciprocal of 2. Okay, divide 5 by 2 is equal to multiply this number, multiply 5 by 2 by reciprocal of 2. So reciprocal of 2 is equal to 1 by 2. So we get 5 into 1 5 divided by 2 into 2 4. Okay, we get 5 by 4. So answer will be, so answer is 5 by 4. So again I consider r is equal to 1 and s is equal to 5 by 2. Therefore by using the formula r plus s divided by 2, we put r is equal to 1 and s is equal to 5 by 4 divided by 2. So is equal to 4 plus 5 divided by 4 divided by 2. So we get 4 plus 5 9 divided by 4 divided by 2. By using similar method, divide 9 by 4 by 2 means multiply 9 by 4 by reciprocal of 2. So reciprocal of 2 is equal to 1 upon 2. So we get the answer 9 upon 8. Okay, so we get the answer 9 upon 8. So 9 upon 8 is the another rational number between 1 and 2. So continuing in this way, we will get 11 upon 8, 13 upon 8, 7 upon 4. So there are infinitely many rational numbers between any two rational numbers. आता सपोज मी इथं r इज इक्वल टू 1 कन्सिडर केलं आहे आणि s इज इक्वल टू 5 by 4 कन्सिडर केलं. ठीक आहे, सपोज तुम्ही r इज इक्वल टू 3 by 2 पण कन्सिडर करू शकता इथं आणि s इज इक्वल टू 5 by 4 पण करू शकता. तुम्हाला काय मिळणार, 1 and 2च्या मधलेच रॅशनल नंबर्स मिळणार, बिकॉज देर आर इन्फायनेटली मेनी रॅशनल नंबर्स बिटवीन एनी टू रॅशनल नंबर्स. ओके, आता तुम्हाला मला इथं आन्सर्स 11 upon 8, 13 upon 8, 7 by 4, 9 upon 8, 5 by 4, ओके, 3 by 2 हे मला काय मिळाले, रॅशनल नंबर्स मिळाले बिटवीन 1 and 2. तुम्हाला दुसरे काही तर रॅशनल नंबर्स मिळतील, म्हणजे देर आर इन्फायनेटली मेनी रॅशनल नंबर्स बिटवीन एनी टू रॅशनल नंबर्स. त्यामुळं आपल्याला काय येतात, रॅशनल नंबर्स भरपूर मिळतात. ओके, आता ह्याला एक अल्टरनेट मेथड एक आहे. ओके, द अल्टरनेट मेथड फॉर फाइंडिंग दी रॅशनल नंबर्स बिटवीन 1 and 2. सिन्स वी वॉन्ट 5 नंबर्स. ओके, आपल्या काय पाहिलं तर 5 रॅशनल नंबर्स पाहिजेत बिटवीन 1 and 2च्या मधले. सो वी राईट 1 and 2 ॲज अ रॅशनल नंबर्स विथ डिनॉमिनेटर 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. आता इथं लक्ष द्या, आपल्याला काय करायचे आहेत, 1 and 2च्या मधले काय करायचे आहेत, रॅशनल नंबर्स फाइंड करायचे आहेत. ओके, with denominator 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. If we want 5 numbers, then 5 plus 1 is equal, denominator will be 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. If we want 6 numbers, then denominator will be 6 plus 1 is equal to 7. If we want 7 numbers, then denominator will be 7 + 1 = 8. ओके, तुम्हाला आयडिया कळली त्याच्या मागची काय आहे. डिनॉमिनेटर आपण कसं घेतो, इफ वी वॉन्ट 5 नंबर्स then denominator will be 5 + 1 = 6, and we write 1 in the form of p by q and 2 in the form of p by q. So 1 = p by q च्या फॉर्ममध्ये लिहिला. मग q आपला काय आहे, डिनॉमिनेटर किती लिहिला तो 6. सो 6/6 = 1. ओके, 6ला पण जर 6 ने डिवाइड केलं तर आपल्याला आन्सर काय मिळणार 1. ऑल्सो 2 = 12/6. Okay, denominator is 6, so numerator will be 12 because 12/6 = 2. So we write 1 and 2 in the form of p by q. So the 5 rational numbers between 1 and 2 are, त्याच्या नेक्स्ट कोणते येतात बघा, 6/6 नंतर 7/6, 8/6, 9/6, 10/6 and 11/6 are the rational numbers between these two, means 6/6 and 12/6. ह्याच्यामधले काय तर हे रॅशनल नंबर आहेत. ओके, सो द 5 numbers are, we write it in the lowest form. Okay, 7/6, so 8/6 becomes 4/3, 9/6 becomes 3/2, 10/6 becomes 5/3, 11/6 as it is. Okay, because 8/6 is equal to 2 4s are 8 and 2 3s are 6. So here we write 4/3. Next 9/6. Okay, so 3 3s are 9 and 3 2s are 6. So here we write 3/2. Similarly 5 2s are 10 and 3 2s are 6. So here we write 5/3. So this is the alternate method to find the rational numbers between 1 and 2. So you can use any of the method. You can use the formula r plus s divided by 2, or you can simply use this method. Okay, and note that there are infinitely many rational numbers between any two rational numbers. This is very important thing. Okay, म्हणजे कुठल्याही दोन रॅशनल नंबरच्या मध्ये काय असतात, इन्फायनेटली मेनी रॅशनल नंबर्स असतात. ठीक आहे, आजच्या लेक्चरमध्ये आपण काय काय बघितलं बघा. फर्स्ट आपण रिकॉल केले बेसिक थिंग्स. लास्ट लेक्चरला काय होतं ते बघितलं आपण, ह्याच्यावरचे एक्झाम्पल्स बघितले. ओके, सो इन द नेक्स्ट लेक्चर वी विल सी द प्रॅक्टिस सेट और एक्सरसाइज 1.1. ओके, गुड बाय, थँक्यू.